Top 25 Primavera P6 Interview Questions and Answers. Primavera P6 is one of the most widely used project management and scheduling software applications in industries such as construction, engineering, manufacturing, oil and gas, and infrastructure development. It helps project managers plan, schedule, monitor, and control complex projects effectively. Organizations often seek professionals who can demonstrate strong Primavera P6 skills, including scheduling, resource management, progress tracking, and reporting. The following Primavera P6 interview questions and answers will help candidates prepare for interviews and improve their understanding of key concepts commonly discussed during project planning and scheduling job interviews. 1. What is Primavera P6? Primavera P6 is an enterprise project portfolio management software developed to plan, manage, and control projects of all sizes. It enables project managers to create schedules, allocate resources, track progress, manage risks, and generate reports. The software is widely used in construction, engineering, and industrial projects. Primavera P6 supports multiple users simultaneously and provides advanced scheduling capabilities, helping organizations improve project visibility, resource utilization, and overall project performance throughout the project lifecycle. 2. What are the key features of Primavera P6? Primavera P6 offers project scheduling, resource management, cost control, progress tracking, risk management, reporting, and portfolio management. Users can create detailed project plans using activities, milestones, and work breakdown structures. It also supports critical path analysis, baseline management, earned value analysis, and multi-project management. These features help organizations effectively manage schedules, budgets, and resources, while ensuring projects are completed within planned timelines and cost constraints. 3. What is a work breakdown structure, WBS? A work breakdown structure is a hierarchical framework that divides a project into manageable sections. It helps organize project activities into logical groups, making planning, scheduling, monitoring, and reporting easier. In Primavera P6, WBS elements provide structure and improve visibility across project phases. Project managers use WBS to assign responsibilities, track progress, and ensure that all project deliverables are included and properly managed throughout the project execution process. 4. What is an activity in Primavera P6? An activity is the smallest schedulable unit of work in a project schedule. Activities represent tasks that must be completed to achieve project objectives. Each activity has attributes such as duration, start date, finish date, relationships, resources, and costs. Primavera P6 allows users to create, organize, and monitor activities within a project. Proper activity definition ensures accurate scheduling, resource allocation, and progress tracking throughout the project lifecycle. 5. What is the critical path method, CPM? The critical path method is a project scheduling technique used to identify activities that directly affect project completion dates. Activities on the critical path have zero total float, meaning any delay in these activities will delay the entire project. Primavera P6 automatically calculates the critical path based on activity relationships and durations. Project managers use CPM to prioritize critical activities and focus resources where they are needed most to maintain project schedules. 6. What is float in Primavera P6? Float refers to the amount of time an activity can be delayed without affecting the project completion date or successor activities. Primavera P6 calculates total float and free float automatically. Total float measures allowable delay without impacting project completion, while free float measures delay without affecting the next activity. Understanding float helps project managers identify schedule flexibility and optimize resource allocation while maintaining overall project deadlines. 7. What are activity relationships? Activity relationships define the sequence and dependency between project activities. Primavera P6 supports 4 relationship types: finish to start to start, finish to finish, and start to finish. These relationships determine how activities interact and influence scheduling calculations. Properly defining activity relationships ensures realistic project schedules and accurate critical path calculations. Effective dependency management helps prevent scheduling conflicts and supports efficient project execution. 8. What is a baseline in Primavera P6? A baseline is an approved version of a project schedule used as a reference for performance measurement. Primavera P6 allows users to save baseline schedules and compare them with current project progress. Baselines help project managers identify schedule variances, monitor performance, and evaluate project success. Maintaining accurate baselines supports effective project control and provides valuable information for stakeholder reporting and decision-making. 9. What is resource management in Primavera P6? Resource management involves planning, assigning, monitoring, and controlling resources required to complete project activities. Primavera P6 supports labor, material, and non-labor resources. Project managers use resource management features to balance workloads, identify shortages, and optimize utilization. Effective resource management improves productivity, reduces project delays, and ensures that resources are available when needed to achieve project objectives efficiently. 10. What is resource leveling? Resource leveling is the process of adjusting activity schedules to resolve resource over-allocation issues. Primavera P6 analyzes resource demands and automatically shifts activities within available float limits. This process helps distribute workloads more evenly and prevents resource conflicts. Resource leveling improves schedule feasibility and enhances productivity by ensuring that resources are not overloaded during project execution. 11. What is a milestone? A milestone is a significant event or achievement within a project schedule. Unlike regular activities, milestones have zero duration and represent key project checkpoints. Primavera P6 supports start milestones and finish milestones. Milestones help project managers track major project phases, contractual obligations, approvals, and deliverables. They provide clear indicators of progress and assist stakeholders in monitoring project performance. 12. What is Earned Value Management (EVM)? Earned Value Management is a project performance measurement technique that integrates scope, schedule, and cost. Primavera P6 supports EVM calculations such as planned value, earned value, and actual cost. These metrics help project managers assess project performance and forecast future outcomes. EVM provides valuable insights into schedule and cost efficiency, enabling proactive decision-making and effective project control. 13. What is an OBS in Primavera P6? OBS stands for Organizational Breakdown Structure. It represents the organizational hierarchy responsible for managing projects. Primavera P6 uses OBS to assign project ownership, responsibilities, and access permissions. OBS helps organizations define management structures and improve accountability. By linking projects and resources to organizational units, project managers can better coordinate activities and align projects with business objectives. 14. What is a project calendar? A project calendar defines working and non-working periods for scheduling activities. Primavera P6 allows users to create calendars based on project requirements, including working days, holidays, and shifts. Calendars influence activity durations and schedule calculations. Proper calendar configuration ensures realistic project schedules and accurate completion forecasts while reflecting actual working conditions and resource availability. 15. What is a global change in Primavera P6? Global change is a powerful feature that allows users to update multiple activities simultaneously using predefined conditions and actions. Primavera P6 uses global change to modify activity attributes, calculate values, and automate repetitive tasks. This feature improves efficiency, reduces manual effort, and minimizes errors when managing large project schedules with thousands of activities. 16. What is schedule updating? Schedule updating involves recording actual progress and recalculating project schedules. Primavera P6 allows users to update activity percentages, actual dates, remaining durations, and resource usage. Regular schedule updates provide accurate project status information and help identify delays, risks, and opportunities. Effective schedule updating supports informed decision-making and ensures project control throughout execution. 17. What is the difference between total float and free float? Total float is the amount of time an activity can be delayed without affecting the project completion date. Free float is the amount of time an activity can be delayed without impacting the start of successor activities. Primavera P6 calculates both values automatically. Understanding these concepts helps project managers evaluate schedule flexibility and prioritize corrective actions when delays occur. 18. What is a constraint in Primavera P6? A constraint is a scheduling restriction applied to an activity. Primavera P6 supports various constraint types such as must finish by, start on, and finish on. Constraints help reflect contractual obligations, deadlines, and project requirements. However, excessive use of constraints can distort schedule calculations. Project managers should apply constraints carefully to maintain schedule integrity and realistic project forecasts. 19. What is a notebook topic? Notebook topics in Primavera P6 allow users to store additional information related to activities, projects, and WBS elements. They provide a centralized location for documenting assumptions, issues, instructions, and notes. Notebook topics improve communication, maintain project records, and support knowledge sharing among team members. Proper documentation enhances project transparency and accountability. 20. What are user-defined fields, UDFs? User-defined fields are customizable fields that allow organizations to store additional project information not available in standard Primavera P6 fields. UDFs can be created for projects, activities, resources, and WBS elements. They support reporting, filtering, and analysis requirements specific to organizational needs. UDFs increase flexibility and improve project data management capabilities. 21. What is a reflection project? A reflection project is a temporary copy of an existing project used for scenario analysis and planning. Primavera P6 allows project managers to test schedule changes, resource allocations, and alternative strategies without affecting the original schedule. After evaluation, approved changes can be merged into the main project. Reflection projects support informed decision-making and risk reduction. 22. What is risk management in Primavera P6? Risk management involves identifying, assessing, monitoring, and controlling project risks. Primavera P6 helps project managers analyze schedule impacts, track risk-related activities, and develop mitigation plans. Effective risk management reduces uncertainty and improves project outcomes. By proactively addressing potential issues, organizations can minimize delays, control costs, and increase the likelihood of project success. 23. What are filters in Primavera P6? Filters are tools used to display specific activities based on selected criteria. Primavera P6 allows users to filter activities by status, WBS, resource assignments, dates, float values, and many other parameters. Filters improve schedule analysis by focusing attention on relevant activities. They help project managers quickly identify critical tasks, delays, and project trends. 24. What is a layout in Primavera P6? A layout is a customized view of project information within Primavera P6. Layouts determine displayed columns, grouping options, sorting rules, filters, and visual settings. Users can create and save layouts for different reporting and analysis purposes. Customized layouts improve productivity by providing quick access to relevant project information and supporting efficient schedule management. 25. Why is Primavera P6 important for project management? Primavera P6 is important because it provides comprehensive project planning, scheduling, resource management, and performance monitoring capabilities. It helps organizations manage complex projects efficiently while maintaining control over costs, schedules, and resources. The software supports data-driven decision-making and improves communication among stakeholders. Its advanced features make it a preferred project management solution across many industries worldwide. Primavera P6 remains one of the most valuable tools for project planning, scheduling, and control in modern industries. Understanding its core concepts, including WBS, critical path analysis, resource management, baselines, and earned value management, can significantly improve interview performance and professional competence. Employers seek candidates who can effectively use Primavera P6 to deliver projects on time and within budget. By preparing these common interview questions and answers, candidates can build confidence, demonstrate technical expertise, and increase their chances of securing project planning and scheduling roles.